the shadows of clouds, a world of breathtaking beauty unfolds. A vast panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see, spilling over the horizon with the promise of untold wonders. But let's pause on our journey for a moment and take a closer look at this world that lies beneath the shadows. Picture the clouds drifting high above, a majestic ballet of hues ranging from the purest white to the deepest gray. They contrast against the azure sky, their shadows painting a kaleidoscope of light and darkness across the landscape below. Now, follow those shadows down to where they meet the earth. Look closer. Amidst the rolling hills, weaving rivers stretch out like veins, pulsating with life. The sun, filtered through the cloud cover, strikes the water surface, creating a dazzling dance of light and shadow, a spectacle that is nothing short of magical. Peer through the veil of foliage in the thick woods, where countless creatures, each a marvel in its right, make their home. Listen closely. The whispering rustle of leaves, the harmonious call of birds, the soft murmuring of a distant waterfall. It's the symphony of life itself, an enchanting melody that compels you to discover more. Look up. The mountains rise majestically, their snowy peaks piercing the heavens, defying the very laws of nature. They stand as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets that this world holds. The valleys hide quaint villages where the old ways are cherished, and every stone, every leaf, every breath of wind carries a tale from times long past. Walk across the meadows where flowers bloom in an explosion of colors, a testament to nature's artistry. The delicate flutter of a butterfly, the gentle rustle of the wind through the grass, the rhythmic song of crickets. These are but simple joys that this world offers. Marvel at the grand architecture of the bustling cities, a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of its inhabitants. The tall skyscrapers reaching for the sky, the hum of traffic, the vibrant energy of people going about their day. It's a different kind of beauty, a beauty that is born from order and chaos, from dreams and struggles. Explore the vast deserts, where the wind shapes the sand into intricate patterns, each a unique work of art. The heat of the sun, the cool night air, the endless expanse of sand and sky. It's a world within a world, a place of stark beauty and harsh survival. Venture into the deep oceans, where the sunlight barely reaches, but life thrives in abundance. The flicker of bioluminescent creatures, the silent glide of the shark, the dance of the dolphins. It's a realm of mystery and wonder, where every dive is a journey into the unknown. And finally, turn your gaze upwards to the night sky. The stars, distant and numerous, shine with a light that has traveled eons to reach us. Each one a beacon in the vast darkness of space, a reminder of our place in the enormity of the universe, waiting for the eyes of the curious to discover it. Imagine, if you will, starting this journey in the vast expanse of North America, the continent that holds a plethora of natural wonders, countless tales of human endeavor, and an array of diverse cultures. The panorama of its landscapes, from the frosty peaks of the Alaskan ranges to the sandy dunes of the Texan plains, is a testament to the continent's geographical variety. The heartland is adorned with undulating prairies and expansive cornfields, the silent witnesses to the tales of the pioneers. The West Coast, with its towering redwoods and rugged Pacific coastline, sings songs of the gold rush and the dreams of fortune seekers. The East Coast, with its historical cities and quaint towns, whispers stories of the founding fathers and the birth of a new nation. The North, with its enchanting aurora borealis, invites you into a world folklore and legends of the native tribes. The South, with its bayous and jazz music, charms you with its unique blend of cultures, which is as flavorful as its cuisine. But nestled within this vastness, lies a wonder so profound and so colossal in its being that it stands apart. A spectacle that leaves you in awe of the forces that shaped it. Here in the heart of the American Southwest, the Grand Canyon stretches out, a testament to the relentless power of time and the Colorado River. This colossal chasm, etching deeper and deeper into the earth with every passing millennium, exposes the intimate details of the Earth's geology in its multi-hued layers. With every layer, it reveals a chapter from the annals of the planet's history. The topmost layer, light and youthful, speaks of a time not so long ago. The middle layers, denser and dustier, harken back to an era where the planet was taking shape. The deepest and darkest layers, hidden from casual sight, murmur tales of the Earth's tumultuous birth. With every sunset of light and shadow upon the canyon's face paints a new portrait. A portrait that captures the ethereal beauty of the setting sun, the vibrant hues of the canyon, and the tranquil silence of the evening. A picture that could easily be a muse for poets, a symphony for musicians, or a canvas for artists. As you traverse through its rocky trails, you witness an ecosystem that has adapted and thrived. The flora, from the resilient cacti to the humble sagebrush, lends the terrain a soft touch of green. The fauna, from the elusive bighorn sheep to the majestic golden eagles, adds life to the seemingly barren landscape. This colossal chasm, with its red and orange layers, whispers tales of Earth's early years. It is an emblem of the relentless passage of time, an ode to the powerful forces of nature, and a canvas of geologic history. It is not just a canyon, but a monument that stands tall, narrating the story of our beloved planet Earth. Moving northward, the icy wilderness of Alaska with its majestic glaciers and rugged mountains paints a picture of sublime solitude. Crossing the Atlantic, Europe awaits with a diverse palette of landscapes. The emerald green rolling hills of Scotland, draped in a cloak of mist, seem like a scene straight out of a mythical tale. Venture south to the lavender fields of Provence in France, a purple sea swaying gently in the wind, radiating a sweet, calming aroma. Next, Africa. Witness the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world. A sea of golden sand dunes rippling under the blazing sun, it creates an otherworldly spectacle. Further south, the Okavango Delta in Botswana transforms into an Eden during the seasonal floods, teeming with wildlife. Now make a leap to Asia. The Himalayas, the roof of the world, stand tall and unyielding. Snow-capped peaks pierce the cerulean sky, a view that leaves even the most seasoned traveler in awe. Further east, the cherry blossom trees of Japan bloom in a riot of pink, a fleeting but enchanting spectacle. Australia and Oceania beckon next. The Great Barrier Reef, a kaleidoscope under the sea, is a world teeming with life and color. In New Zealand, the Southern Alps stretch across the western coast, their snow-capped peaks mirrored in the sapphire waters of the surrounding lakes. Lastly, South America. The Amazon rainforest, the lungs of the earth, breathes life into our world. A cacophony of sounds fills the air, as myriad creatures call this green paradise home. The Andes, the world's longest mountain range, snakes its way down the continent, a spine of stone and snow. So, from the red-orange canyons of North America, to the icy wilderness of Alaska, from the verdant hills of Scotland, to the lavender fields of France, from the golden dunes of the Sahara, to the teeming wildlife of the Okavango Delta, from the towering Himalayas, to the blooming cherry blossoms of Japan, from the vibrant Great Barrier Reef, to the mirrored peaks of New Zealand's Southern Alps, and from the lush Amazon rainforest to the majestic Andes, this world of ours is a treasure trove of spectacular landscapes. Each corner of the earth tells a unique story, a testament to the power of nature and the passage of time. So whether you're an armchair traveler or an adventurous explorer, remember, the world is waiting. It's a canvas of breathtaking beauty, and it's time to discover it.